Hello friends, welcome to Coding Droplets C# tutorial. So in this video, we are going to cover C# list and different methods what we can use with list to do some tasks. So we are just showing the use cases and we are showing how the method will return the values, all those things in this video. So I have created a list of methods that we are going to show in this video. We will be explaining all these methods using the C# list, and we will be showing the result, how the method return the result, all those things. So let us open our sample application. So this is a sample console application which I have created for showing the demo. Now please subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed yet, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you will get notified once we upload new tutorial videos. And please like the video if you enjoyed it. So let us start the session now. First of all, a list is a collection of any data type. It can be a collection of any data type. It can be a collection of a simple data type like string, integer, long, decimal, etc. Or also it can be a collection of some complex data types, say customer, product, or in our application we might be creating some model classes like customer, product, invoice, or whatever it may be. So it can be a collection of that kind of complex data types as well. So we will be covering in more detail in this video. So initially, let me declare a list of string. So say I'm just naming it as product list is equal to new list of string. Okay, now I have declared a new list of string and named it product list. So while declaration itself, we can assign some values into the list. So I will just show you how we can do it. So here, let's assume this is a list of product names. Okay, so we are having a product named product 001. Then we have another product named, sorry, forgot to give the double quotation marks. So now I'm giving product 002, then another one with product 003. Okay, so now this list contains 3 products. So the first one is 001, then 002, 003. Product space 001, 002, 003. Okay, we will do one more thing. So we can use for loops to iterate through the product list or through the list. Okay, so we can use for loop or for each loop, both loops in this list. So initially I'm just showing you how we can use a for loop. So for int I equal to 0, I less than product list dot count. So in our methods, we are having this method, we have explained, or we have mentioned this method count here. So count basically returns the number of elements in the list. Okay, and I++. So we will show you this count method separately. Now I am declaring another variable where product is equal to, or product name is equal to product list of I. Okay, so initially the I value will be 0. So product list of 0 means the first element, so that is product space 001. Okay, then while running this for loop, next the value will come to 1, and 1 will be this value, then 2 will be this value. Okay, so after 2 it won't work. Why? Because we have mentioned the product.count will be 3, so it should I should be less than product list.count. So once I become 3, the for loop won't work. Why? Because this condition won't match. Okay, so here what I'm doing is console.writeLine product name. Okay, console.read line. Okay, now I'm just running the application, and let us check whether it is printing all these 3 products. So list is having a 0 based index, so 0 will be the first element in the list and 1 will be the second element. In that way it will have the index numbers. So now you can see here it has printed all the 3, product 001, 002 and 003. Fine. Now let us check how we can add more elements to the list. Okay, so say I need to add product space 004, then what I have to do is product list.add. Then here you can see we can provide a parameter which is a string. So this list is of type string, so we can only add a string to that list. We cannot add an integer or any other data types. So here what I'm doing is I'm adding product 004 here, and now running the application again. So now you will be able to see it will print 4 products. Product 004 is also added. So this is the first method which we have mentioned, .add. So I'm marking it as a green color. We have already explained how it works. Okay, now next we are going to check how we can use add range. So for that I will do one more thing. I'm adding product. Okay, I'm just naming it as another product list. Okay, this is also of the same data type, list of string. Okay, now this is having some other product names, product 1001. Then I'm just copying this and here renaming it as product 1002, then 1003, 1004. Okay, so now what I need is I need to add these many products to the product list. So one method is using the add method and adding it one by one, and there is a simple method to do that, that is add range. Product list.add range. Now I can give a collection here. So now this will add the whole elements in this particular list to product list. Okay, so let us run the application. So now you can see it has added the another 4 elements to the list. So this is how we can use add range method. So I'm just marking it as green again. Now going to insert. So insert function, we mainly use insert function to insert a element to a particular index. Say for example, now I need to add product 999. Okay, so sorry, I need to add product 999 to index 0. Index 0 means it should be the first element. Okay, so if we use the add method here, what will happen is this particular product will be added to the last as a last element. But if we need to add it as a first element, or not only the first element, if you need to add it in any other position, you can mention the index here and you can add the item here. Now let me run the application so you will be able to see how it works. So now you can see product 999 is the first element, and product 001 has become the second element. The index has changed to the next index. Okay, so now the index of this particular element has become 1. 0 is the, as it is a 0 based index, 0 is the element index of the first element. So before it was 0 for this product, and now it has become 1 when we have inserted a new one here. Okay, so I'm just marking this as well. Now we are just showing remove function. So if we need to remove some element, say I need to remove this one from the list. Okay, so I'm just copying this and using it here, product list dot remove, then pasting it here. So now while executing this particular method, this element will get removed from the product list. So now let's run the application. Now you can see there is no product 003 here. After 002, it has directly displayed 004. So 003 has been deleted. This is how we can use the remove method. Okay. So, okay. Now just showing the count. So here I have already mentioned to you, here in the for loop, it will, I have told you it will return the product count number of elements. So in order to show the value, I will do one more console.writeLine here, and total count is, here I am giving product list dot count. So now it should print total count is, and it should show the value of the total number of elements in the product list. So let's run the application. So you can see now there are 8 elements, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. Okay, this is how we can get the count. Okay. Now, if we need to check whether a particular element exists or whether it contains a particular element, so I am just giving result, what result is equal to product list dot contains of product 1002. I'm giving it here. So the result will be a Boolean value. Okay, it will return a bool value. So it will be true or false. So if this exists, it will return true. Otherwise, it will return false. So now I'm just creating a breakpoint here and now running the application. So now let's check what is the result. Yes, the result equal to true. That means the product list contains a value with product space 1002. It is having an element with this value. Now say I'm giving a different value, say 5555. So we know that this particular value is not in the list, or that element is not in the list. So it should return false. Let us check now. So you can see now the result has become false. So this is how we can use contains method. Now, in order to show the exists method, so now let's take an example of some complex object types. Okay, So I'm just removing all these. Now let's create a class and say private class product. Okay, so this class have a product name, then product code, then public decimal of price, the price as well. Okay, now I'm declaring a product list is equal to new list of, instead of a simple data type, now we are using this product. So this will be a collection of products, and now I am inserting some values to this list. So new product. Okay, so the first product is having a product code of 101, then product name of product 10, the name is product 101, then price is equal to 100. Okay, so I'm just copying this and creating a new product. So the product code is 102 and the price is 200. Okay, now I'm creating another one, 103, and the product price is 300. Now I'm creating another one, it's 104 and the price is 400. Fine. So now we have 4 different products inside the product list. Okay, now I'm just showing how we can use the exists method var result equal to product list dot exists. So here now we can give a condition, okay, a predicate of product match. So for that I'm giving a such that a dot price greater than 200. So here what we are doing is we are searching the product list in which the products are having a price of greater than 200. So we know here these 2 products have a price which is greater than 200. This is not greater than, this is equal to 200. So this condition won't match, or this product won't match the condition. These 2 products matches the condition. So here we should get a true result. Let us check by running the application. So here you can see now we got a result of true. So that means this list contains products which are having or matching this particular criteria. Okay, so we can give any kind of criteria we need here. So now let's say I'm giving a different criteria. Price is equal to 250. So now to match this criteria, a product should have a price which is equal to 250, and we don't have a product which is having a price of 250, so we should get a result as false. Yes, we got it as false. So there is no products which matches this criteria. Now we can also give something like this, a dot product code is equal to 103. So we already have one, so it should return true. Now I've just shown this example that we can use string, any kind of conditions, normally a normal kind of conditions here. So according to that, it will return true or false as a result. Okay, so this is how exists work. Now next is clear. So from the method itself, you will be able to understand that clear means it will clear all elements inside the product. So I will just show you anyway. Product list dot clear, and after that I'm taking I'm just doing console dot write line total count is product list dot count. Okay, now this should print the number of products inside the list. So actually we have declared 4 different products, but after that we have cleared it, so there should not be any product in the list, so it should return, or it should show 0. So sorry, console.read line, so that the application won't get exited. So let's run the application again. So you can see now it is showing 0. So that means all the products has been cleared. So if we remove this statement and run the application, now we can see it is 4. Okay, so that's how clear function works. Now let's check how we can find a particular product. So I'll do one thing. Var P1, I'm just naming it as P1, product list dot find, and as we mentioned a condition or a criteria before for exist method, here in the same way we can mention a criteria here such that a dot product code is equal to 102. Okay, now I'm just creating a breakpoint there and running the application. So now you can see in P1 it has returned a product, and here you can see the product code is 102, price is 200, and product name is 102. So basically this find method will return a single product, okay, from the list which matches this criteria. Now let's see an example. What if we have given a criteria that and that criteria is matching for multiple products? So let us check price greater than 200. So the same criteria what we have given before. So here we know in our list we have 2 products which matches the criteria. First one is having a price of 300 and second one have a price of 400. So now let's check what will be the result in P1. So here you can see now it has returned a product, a single product with that is product code 103 and price is 300. So what has happened is the application will check the particular criteria, and if any product from the list has matched the criteria, then it won't go to the next elements in the list. Immediately it will stop and return the result. So you can use the find method if you need to return a single element which matches the criteria. So it won't scan the entire list. Instead, it will find out a single match and immediately it will stop and return the result. And the rest of the list won't get scanned to match the criteria. Okay, so that is how we can use the find method. Now similar way we have find all. So find all will return a list of product. Okay, I will just show you. So now you can see there are 2 elements in the result, and the first one is with price 300 and the second one is with price 400. So these 2 elements. So in the list, now these two elements are matching the criteria, and this find all method has returned all the matched elements. Okay, so basically, as I mentioned before, find will find one object, and find all will find all the objects in the list which matches the criteria. That is the difference. Okay, now we have one more method named find last. So find last, I will show you. Now you can see it has returned price 400, product code 104. So now the application, once this particular method has executed, the application found out the last element which has matched the criteria in the list, and that element will get returned while executing this method. So that is what we use find last method for. Okay. Now we have, so I'm just removing this. Okay. Now indx1, I'm just naming a variable named indx1 is equal to product list dot find index of a such that a dot price greater than 200. I'm giving the same kind of condition. Now let's check what it returned. So you can see now the index returned 2. So this is a integer. Index will be a integer variable, and the value is 2. So 2 means, as I told, list is a zero based index, and here 0, this is the 0th element, and this is the first element, and this one is the second element. So this is 2 is the index of this particular element which has matched the criteria. Okay, so it normally what we have mentioned for find, once it got a criteria match here, it won't scan for the next element which matches the criteria. Immediately after getting a single element, it will stop scanning and return the index of that particular element as a result. So that is what we got in indx1 here. Okay, now in the same way as we mentioned find last, for index also we have find last index method. So here I am giving find last index. So now it will return 3. Yes, so 3 is the index of this particular element, and this one is the last element which matches the criteria. Okay, so that is why it has returned 3. So now we have covered find last index as well, and remove we have already covered, sorry. So by mistake I have given remove here. Sorry. So we don't need remove anyway. Now remove all method, I will just show you. Remove all. In remove all also we can use a criteria. So now here what I'm doing is I am giving price greater than 200. So as we know, these two elements matches the criteria. Now here, sorry, for remove all, anyway we don't need this. We don't need to return anything, that is not needed. Now in product list, now last time I shown you how to use for loop. Now I'll show you how we can use for each in product list. Var product in product list. Okay, now here what I'm doing is console.writeLine, and I'm just printing the details of the product. So code is product.code product code, then name is product name, then price is product.price. Okay, so this way we can use the for each method in a list. So this will iterate through the list. So I will show you how it will print the values. So now what we have done is, before the for each, we have given a function to remove all elements in the list which is having a price greater than 200. So we expect these two elements will get removed, and it should only print the first two elements, 101, product code 101 and 102. So let us check whether it is working as expected. Oh, sorry, I forgot to remove the breakpoint. Yes, you can see now it has printed the details of two products and the count is 2. So the rest of the two products has been removed from the list. So this is how we can use remove all method. Now we have remove at method. So before that, I will show you one more thing. Now I have just shown you how to use normal for each method, but inside a list, I'm just removing this remove method. Okay, so now it will print all the 4 products. See, all the 4 products it is printing. Now what I need to show is product list dot for each. Here there is a method for each like this. So here we can use a such that, or we can name it whatever we need. So for example, if we need like this product such that, in this way also we can give. And I'm just opening a curly braces and closing it. Now I'm just copying the same method here, okay, and removing this. So this way also we can use for each method in a list. So this is a for each which we can use for the list actually. So list dot for each. Now let's see how it works. It worked in the same way. There is no difference. Okay. So now we are going to remove at method. So remove at is product list dot remove at of. Here we can mention the index of a particular element as a parameter. So in the list we know we are having this is the 0 based index. So 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's say we are adding one more product list dot add new product. Okay, product code is 105, then product name is product 105. Okay, and the price, say 500. Okay, now we have added one more product to the list, and now what I'm doing is we need to remove the product at index 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we need to remove this particular product. So the index of this product is 3, so I'm just giving index 3 here, and after that we are printing the list of products. So we now one product code 104 should not be in the list. So you can see here there is no code 104. It has been removed. That entire product has been removed. Okay, this is how we can use remove at method. Fine. Now remove range method, I will show you. Remove range is to remove products or elements from a list in a particular range. Okay, so here what I'm doing is 0, so this is the 0th element, 0 index, 1, 2. 3. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. We need to remove these 3 products. So this is 1, index is 1, index is 2 and 3. Okay, so here what we can give is, we need to give the index of the first element we need to remove, so that is 1. So this is the index first product, and the index of this product is 1, and from there we need to remove 3 products. Total count is 3. Okay, so now the list should have only 101 and 105. Just 102, 103 and 104 should get removed. This is what we are expecting. So let us check. Yes, you can see now 101 and 105 is only in the list, the rest all got removed. So this is how we can use remove range. Fine. So now let's go to some advanced functions what we can use using a list. So here now I'm just removing this product list and remove range. Now for this functions you have to use this particular library, System.Link. So using this library we can do some advanced methods. We will get some advanced methods that we can use in a list. So first of all, I'm going to show you how we can use the sum method. So say example, here after showing the count, I need to show the sum of the total product prices. Okay, so var price sum is equal to product list dot sum of a such that a dot price. So now what we have mentioned here is we need to get the sum, and sum of which elements? We need to get the sum of price. Okay, if we might be having multiple integer or decimal elements inside the list. So here we need to mention of which element we need. We need to mention the element with which the application has to calculate the sum. Okay, so now we will get the sum here. So I'm just printing that as well. Console.writeLine sum is product sum. Okay, let's run the application. Yes, now you can see the sum is 1500. So 100 plus 200 plus 300 plus 400 plus 500. The total sum will be 1500. Okay. Now in the same way, we have some other methods like max, min and all. I will show you. So here I am giving max method. So price max, and here I'm just printing max is price max. Okay, now I'm running the application. So you can see here the max value is 500. That means out of all these products, 500 is the maximum value in the price. Okay, now in the same way we can use min method, and here I am printing min. So now you can see 100 is the minimum value out of all these products, minimum price value out of all these products. This is how we can use min and max methods. Okay, now there is one more method named average. So instead of min I'm using average here. So I'm just renaming this variable name to price average and showing like average is price average. So let us see what is the average of the product price. Yes, so we know the total is 1500 and totally we are having 5 products. So 1500 divided by 5 is equal to 300. So in this way we can simply calculate the average with just a simple function. Okay, so now let me stop the application. Okay, so that is average Now showing distinct method, I'll do one thing. Okay. Before that, I will just show you select method, and after that I will show you distinct. So here what I'm doing is I'm adding one more product. So for this product, the difference is the product code is same 105 and product name is also 105. Let's say the price is some 600, but rest all things are same. Okay. So now if we run the application, yes, we can see now code 105, 105, we have two products with the same code. Okay, so now I'm just explaining you how we can use select method. So select method, I will just show you product code list equal to, here I am extracting the product codes from the product list. Okay, product list dot select is such that a dot product code. Okay, now this will return a I enumerable of t result. So t result is basically a string now. So what we need, here you can see it will return I enumerable of string. So to convert it to list, we can just mention to list here. So now this will return a list of string. Okay, so I will show you. I'm creating a breakpoint here. So you can see now it has returned 6 strings, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105 and again 105. So we have two products with the same product codes. Okay, so here what I'm doing is I'm printing. Okay, instead of I'm just commenting this out. Okay, now instead of that I'm using a for each method of product code list is such that, so if we have a single function, it is not this curly braces is not needed. We can just give it like this, console dot write line of a. This is enough. But if we have multiple functions or multiple methods, multiple lines of methods, then what we can do is we can use the curly braces and enter all the methods we need. So if it is a single method, then we can use simply like this. Fine. Now let me print it. So you can see, yes, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, and again 105. Fine. Now this is how we can use the select method. Okay, and one more thing, I will just, anyway, we are explaining about select method. So var, okay, result 2 is equal to product list dot select is such that we can use select command to dynamically create lists. That is, I need to explain that one as well along with this select command. So how we can do that? Just mention here new, then open the curly braces. Okay, then to list. Fine. Okay, now here what I'm doing is I'm creating a dynamic list at runtime. So here what I need to do is okay, now custom, I'm just giving custom name equal to a dot, I'm giving it like this, I'm concatenating some strings here, a dot product code, then hyphen a dot price. So this is a custom name just for showing a demo. Then I need a dot price, a dot product code, and if I need a product name, I can give, okay, for example, I'm not just removing it. So in the new list, we won't be having product name. We have product code, product, then price, then custom name. Okay, so now let's check how this list looks like. So I'm just creating a breakpoint there and running the application. Now you can see it has returned all the product elements, but the custom name is product code hyphen, then the price, then price product code. For all elements, we have just created a new list, a new list in dynamically while runtime. So we can use the select command to create such kind of lists as well, dynamic list. Okay, so for showing that, I have used this method. So now we don't need this. Okay, so we have already mentioned the select command. Now we are going to the distinct method. So again, I'm just running this to show you again. So in this, you can see now we have 105 two times, as we have mentioned the same product with different price. See, the product is having same product code, but with different price. So if we need to get a distinct list, what we can use is var distinct list equal to, I'm just naming it as a distinct list, product code list dot distinct. Okay, now again it will be an enumerable of string. So to convert it to list, what we can do is just give to list here. Now instead of product code list, I'm printing the distinct list. So now let's see, it will remove the duplicate values. So now you can see here 105 is already is only printed once. Okay, it has removed the duplicated value. So this is how we can use the distinct method to remove duplicated values. Okay, now we are going some more advanced select many functions. So for showing a demo of select many, I'm making some changes in the model class. So in the product class, what I'm doing is I'm creating one more class here, private class product variant. Okay, and here I'm just using price inside variant, and I'm giving one more string element here, color. Okay, so now what we are doing is a single product should have multiple variants. Okay, a list of product variant. So we are naming it as product variants. Okay, so let's comment all this. Fine. Okay, comment this as well. Fine. Okay, so now in our model class we have product, and for a single product we have multiple variants. So each variant we have to mention the color and price. Okay, so now I'm creating a list of, product list is equal to new list of product. Okay, now I am creating some products, new product, and product code, again we are giving 101, then product name we are giving same kind of product 101. Okay, now product variants, we are declaring a new list of product variants, and new product variant. So the color is equal to, so for example, this product is having a black color and the price for the black color is say 100. Now it is having one more variant. One more variant. The variant color is white and price is some 120. Then it is having one more variant. The price is the color is yellow and price is 130. Okay, so we have 3 variants for this product. Now I'm declaring one more product. I'm just copying this comma and another product here. So here the product code is 102, product name is product 102, and here the variants, let's say orange, and the price 200. Now so orange purple, price is 220. After that, do we have a blue here? No. Okay, so let's see blue. Price is 230. Okay, 230. Fine. So we have 2 different products and each products have 3 variants each. Okay. So now I will just show you how the product list looks like. So here you can see product list having 2 elements, count is equal to 2. And the first element is product 101, product name is 10, product space 101, and product variants there are 3, the count is equal to 3. So if we are opening that, you can see black 100 and here white 120, yellow 130. In the same way for the second product also we have same kind of variants here, orange, purple, blue. Fine. Now I will show you how we can use select many method. Var result equal to product list dot select many is such that a dot select product list dot product list dot select many is such that a dot product variance dot select. Okay, here we are using both select many and select. So here now we have already declared a here, so we cannot again declare a. Here we are declaring b such that b dot, or we are creating a new list, a new dynamic list as we mentioned before. To list, fine. So now here what I need is, I need product code a dot product name. So these elements from the main product element, and we need b such that b is the product variant. So b dot color, then b dot price. Okay. So now I will show you how the result will be. So this will be a completely flattened list. So I will show you how it works, or how it returns the result. So here you can see now there are 6 results and each is having color black, price 100, product code 101, product name, product space 101. In the same way, so again product 101, and this time the color is white and price is 120. Again product 101, then yellow, price is 130. Now after that product 102, then orange 200. Again it will be product 102 with purple 220. So this will be a completely flattened list. Here you can see we have totally 6 elements. So we know we only have 2 products, but we have 3 variants for each product. So it will return 6 elements, 6 different elements, in which product code will be the same, product code and product name will be the same, but the variants will be different. So all this will be in a single element, as a single element. So it will be completely flattened list. For this kind of options, or for this kind of requirement, we can use select many method. Hope you got it. So if you have any doubts, what you can do is you can create some sample classes like this and just check by URL, then you will get a better idea. Okay, so this is how you can use select many. Now I am just giving you group by. Okay, so for showing group by, anyway, we don't need this. This one we used for showing the demo. Now let's say we have the same previous class. Okay, and let's say we have here public string product category. Okay, fine. Now I will show you how we can use the group by function. So let me use the previous methods here. Okay, so here we don't have a product category that we need to add now. So product category is equal to, let me name it as category 1. Okay, then this one is category 1, this one is again category 1, and here we have for these two we are giving it as category 2. Okay, yeah, here one more is there. Okay, let this be category 3. Okay, so we have three different categories: category 1, category 2, and category 3. So in category 1 there are 3 products. Okay, and category 2 there are 2 products, and category 3 there is only 1 product. Okay, fine. Now I will show you how group by function work. Var result equal to product list dot group by is such that a dot product category. Now dot select, I'm creating a new dynamic list here. So here I am giving a dot key. A dot key means, this key means whichever element or whichever field we have used for grouping. So here we have used product category. So in a dot key we will get the product category value here. So for better understanding, instead of product category, I'm just naming it as product category only. Product category is equal to a dot key. Okay. Then now we have already explained some min, max, average methods. So here in grouping we can use all those kind of methods. Okay, so say example, I need to know number of products inside this particular category. So I can use a.count here. Okay, now sum of price. So here what I can use is a dot sum of b such that b dot price. So this will sum the price field. I will show you anyway. Once we show the result, you will get a better idea. Now for a max price is equal to a dot max of b such that b dot price. Here we can use min also. Anyway, for this example we are using these many fields. So I will just show you how it will return the result. Oh, sorry, it is IEnumerable. Now I'm converting it to list. Okay. So you can see here now we have 3 values or 3 elements or 3 collection. So in the list now it has written product category 1, category 2 and category 3. So now we can see here the product number of products. So in category 1 we have 3 products. So as I have given here a.count, it has counted the number of elements in this particular category, and it has returned number of product as 3. Then max price is 300. So out of these 3 products, 300 is the maximum price of the product, and some of the prices are 600. Okay, in the same way we can see the result of category 2 and category 1 as well, and category 3 as well. So here max price is 500, total number of products 2, sum of price 900, and here category 3 is only having 1 product, max price is 600, and sum of price is 600 again. Okay, so in this way we can group with some fields. So here I have given you an example of a single field, but we can group with multiple fields as well. So for grouping with multiple fields, what we can do is, but in this list we cannot group with multiple fields. Why? Because only product category is a field which we can group, or else okay, fine, I will show you how we can do it. We can just use a keyword new here, then we can use product category, and if we need to group with any other fields, we can mention that as well after a comma. Okay, now we, instead of a.key, to get the product category, what we can do is a.key.product category, and to get the price, what we can do is a.key.price. In this way we can group with multiple fields. Okay, so this is how group by works. Now join and group join. So for explaining that, we need 2 different lists in order to join. Okay, we have here we have product variance left, right? So instead of giving product variance here, let's say here we have public string variant code. Okay, and in this list as well we have a variant code. So this is a field for mapping the values. So here we don't need price. Okay. Now I'm removing all these things and creating some new products. So our product 1 is equal to new product. Okay, so the product name is equal to product 001, and product code is equal to 101. Product category is equal to, say, category 1. Anyway, here we don't need a category. Anyway, let us name it as category 1. And variant code is equal to, I'm just giving V1 here. Okay. Now if the same product is having multiple variants, so now product 2 is equal to same product but with variant code 2. Now okay, first, now what we can do is we can declare 2 variants here. V1 is equal to new variant, new product variant. So the color is black, and say price is 100, and variant code is V1. Okay, fine. I'm creating one more variant. Here this is V2, so the white 200, and this is V2. Fine. So here we have 2 variant codes, one V1 and V2. Okay, now there is one more product with different product code. but the variant is same actually. So what we can do is I'm just copying here. This is product 3, which is having product code 10021. Okay, and here variant is 1. Then product 4, here 4, here the variant is v2. Okay, now let us create two list. So var variant list is equal to new list of product variant, and here I am using v1 comma v2 two variants, and I'm creating a list of products here where product list is equal to new list of product, and product 1 comma product 2 comma product 3 comma product 4. Okay, fine. Now we are going to join these two lists, product list and the variant list. Okay, so what I'm going to do is var result is equal to product list dot join variant list comma, then here we have to use the key selectors a such that a dot variant code. So here you can see when I have given a such that a dot, here we can see the elements of the product class. Okay, so here we have to use which is the mapping element inside the product class. We are mapping product list with variant list. So first we have to choose the mapping element of the product class. So here I am choosing variant code, then comma a such that a dot, sorry, for better understanding we can give it like this, b such that b dot, again now it is showing the elements of variant list, variant class, so product variant class. So here also we have to choose variant code. This is the mapping element. Now a comma b such that new, I am creating a new list, dynamic list here. So now I need a dot product code, a dot product name, a dot product category, then a dot, let's use variant code as well. Now I need b dot color and b dot price. So now this will be a list of these many elements. Okay, let's see how it returns the value. So you can see now there are 4 different elements. So we have 4 different products. So here the color is black, price is 100, product category is 1, product code. Now again, now white 200, product code is 101, so the same product. Now product code is 102 and the variant color is black. Then product code is equal to 104, color is white. So this is how we can join 2 different lists. Okay, now I will show you one more type of join, that is group join. So we have just explained join here. Now group join, there is a small difference. Var result equal to, this time I'm joining the variant list with product list. So for showing the demo of join, I have joined product list with variant list. Now I'm joining variant list with product list. Okay, so variant list dot join, dot group join product list comma, and in the same way we have to show the outer key element, that is variant code, and b such that b dot variant code. Now here such that b, a comma b such that new, okay, to list. So now a dot color and a dot price, okay, then a dot variant code. Let's show the variant code as well. Now the product list is equal to b.list. So group join is like we can completely group the products to a list inside the variance. I will show you how it will return the results, so you will get a better idea. So here you can see now the result is having two. We only have two variants. So the first one is black and white. So first one is black and second one is white. So inside black you can see there is a element named product list, the same name we have given here. So product list is having two elements. So that is category 1, product 001. Category 1, product 001 V1. Okay. Now in the same way, the second variant also have. So for this product also we have the same variants. For these two products also we have the same variants. So it will show those two products. So this is how we can use group join. We can completely group the whole inner elements. So the second, here we are joining the variance list with product list. So this list we can completely convert it to a list inside the list collection. Okay. Hope you got the idea. Now let us simply check order by descending. This is an easy thing. So here, for showing that, I'll do one thing. Yeah, we can have the price here. Anyway, we don't need this product category and variant code anyway. So here we have okay, I'm removing the product variants. So price is equal to 100, and for product 2 the price equal to 200. So let's say the product code is different, and here for product 3 the price is 300, and for product 4 let's say the price is 400. Okay, now we don't need all these things. So now currently we have 4 different products. Oh, sorry, I think I delete that. Okay, we need this one. Okay, so now we have created a product list of 4 different products. Okay, so now let's say we need to sort the list in ascending or descending method. So was sorted list is equal to product list dot order by a such that a dot price or a dot product, whatever field we can give with which we need to do the sorting. So here I'm giving price for a better understanding. So if we sort with price, order by means this will sort in ascending order. So I will just show you how will be the sorted result. So the sort, oh sorry, I forgot to convert it to list. Now it was in IEnumerable. Okay. So now you can see the product, the first product has having a price of 100, 200, 300, 400. I think we have added the products in the same order. So the application don't need to sort it. So here I'm giving 900 for this product 1. So now let us check. So now you can see the first one is having 200, second one 300, fourth one 400, and the last one is 900. So it has ordered or sorted in the ascending order of the price. Now order by descending is also there. So the only difference is instead of order by, we have to give order by descending. So now the first element should be the product which is having a price of 900. See, yeah, it is the product which is having a price of 900, then 400, here it is 300, and here it is 200. So this is how we can use this order by and order by descending. Now just small 2 things, skip and take. So here I'm using var result is equal to product list dot skip of 2. So now I will show you what will be the result. So here we are having 4 different products, but it will, oh sorry, again I forgot to use toList here. Okay. So now it has returned only 2 elements. So basically we had 4 elements in the list, but it has skipped the first 2 products. Okay, and it has returned the third one and the fourth one. So you can see here, product of price 300, that is the third one, and the product of price 400, that is the fourth one. This is how we can use skip command or skip method. And in the same way, there is another method named .take. Take of 2. Here also we can give a count as a parameter. So take of 2 means, yeah, now it will return, again sorry, forgot to add toList. Okay. So now again it has returned 2 elements, but now it has returned the first 2 elements, price of 900 and price of 200. Those are the first 2 products. So that means it has taken only the first 2 products and removed rest all the things. So we can use this skip and take and all these functions in a single method. So I'll just show you. For example, I need to skip 1. So I need to skip the first one and take 2. So now it should return, it will skip this one and it should take these 2. And this one will be removed. Why? Because it will only take these 2. So let's see whether it is working as expected. Yes, now you can see product code 102 and product code 103. These are the 2 elements which it has been returned. So these are the 2 products which it has been returned. It has skipped the first one and taken the next 2. So this is how we can use skip and take. So we have completed all the methods, and sorry for this. Actually, we have already covered remove here, so no need of this one actually. So hope you got the logics and got the methods what we can use inside a list. So please like the video if you enjoyed it and share the video. Also, please don't forget to subscribe the channel. So thank you all. See you in the next video.